Hello everyone, welcome to this video. You must have already seen the topic of today's video on the thumbnail. Actually, one person asked a question, and I'll tell you that question first. If this question is relatable for you too, make sure to watch this video till the end. A guy asked me a question, "Sir, I've been doing digital marketing continuously for 2 years, but I haven't found success in any area so far. Sir, I even tried affiliate marketing. I also tried CPA marketing. I bought a website, bought a domain. I tried blogging as well, but I haven't even gotten AdSense approval till now. Sir, what should I do so that I can at least start earning $500 a month, if not more?" At least $100 should start coming in. Something should start coming in so that I feel, yeah, you really can earn from digital marketing. So those people who have been following me for a long time would know that I always talk about loopholes. So today, right now, if you keep failing in digital marketing, I'm going to put an end to that problem. So in digital marketing, let me tell you the biggest reason why you fail. You're running in 10 different directions. You're doing blogging, you're doing affiliate marketing, you're doing CPA marketing too, but you haven't achieved excellence in any one of them. You don't have a solid grip on any single thing. You don't know how to run Google ads properly, nor do you know how to run Facebook ads properly. But you want to do blogging, you want to do affiliate marketing, you want to do CPA marketing too. The very first thing is, pick one thing, anything, man. Choose CPA marketing, choose blogging, choose affiliate marketing, choose social media marketing. Pick anything, but pick one thing. First, make yourself excel in one thing. Make yourself really good at one thing. It will take 90 days, but for those 90 days, you have to work consistently on just one skill. And if you are my follower and you are learning everything through me, then I'll simply say that first, become an expert in Google Ads. Once you master Google Ads, you'll be able to do affiliate marketing and CPA marketing too. You'll be able to do all these things. The second point, which in my view is the most important point. Bro, the biggest mistake you make, do you know what mistake you make? You don't have any personal mentorship, man. At least find one person in the market to guide you. I'm not saying you have to choose me. Just find someone who can give you personal mentorship, even if it costs a low money. But it's important to find someone, learn any skill from them, whether it's Google Ads, affiliate marketing, or CPA marketing. Whatever you learn, unless you do this. Because let me tell you why. When you studied in 10th or 12th grade, you must have taken coaching. Coaching is for guidance, and you want to build a career in digital marketing, so how will you do it without guidance? If you just keep watching videos on YouTube, you'll just keep watching and nothing will happen. You'll keep watching for 2 years, but nothing will happen. You'll never be able to achieve it. That's why I'm giving you this suggestion. Find yourself a personal mentor. Find a teacher. There are a lot of genuine people in the market. But find a mentor who can give you step-by-step guidance. Now, if we talk about ourselves, what do? Whoever joins our personal mentorship, the very first thing is that we have a daily class at 9 a.m. Alright, we conduct a daily live class. What happens in our live class? Every day, we run campaigns either on affiliate marketing or on CPA marketing or on MarketCall, and I also run the same campaign, and then we all watch together how it goes. Now, for example, if I say there are 10 people in the live class, then we make groups of 2. Each pair runs a different type of campaign, so we end up with 5 campaigns, and whichever campaign turns out to be the most profitable, all 10 people start running that same campaign, and everyone begins working on it together. So, all the work we do is done entirely in a group setting. Here, mainly, it's not just me teaching, I'm also learning through the students. The benefit of this personal mentorship is that all 10 people have the same interest. Everyone will use their own skill set, and when everyone uses their skills and starts working together on one thing, then success is bound to come. So my second point is quite simple. My brother, start looking for a personal mentor. What was the very first point I told you? Work on just one field. The second point is to work with a personal mentor. Now, the third point I'm about to share is also very important. Consistency. If today you're working on Google Ads, then for the next 90 days you need to keep working only on Google Ads, only then will you start seeing results. In our personal mentorship, people start seeing results within just 2 weeks. What's the reason for that? For 2 weeks straight, we keep running ads on Google. When we run ads on it, we get results, And what happens because of that? A proper consistency, because once you start getting results, then you'll become consistent. And when you become consistent, things will start running automatically for you. Alright, so what's the third thing for you? It's consistency. Fourth, be creative. Don't just follow the YouTube methods. If you keep following the YouTube methods, years will go by. You'll just keep following the YouTube methods. You won't be able to earn even a single rupee. Being creative means it's important to find loopholes, bro. Start looking for loopholes, figure out how you can smartly tweak certain methods. Start doing things smartly, that's when you'll become creative. When you start finding loopholes, you'll automatically get results. So, it's really important to look for results. But you'll only get them if you don't just follow the same methods as the other 100 people, do something different from them. So here, you'll get very little personal mentorship. Alright, the last, but one of the most important points is, bro, you should also make a little investment. It's important to invest as well. Invest 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, invest your own money. If you want to build a career, then bro, you'll have to do at least this much, right? Only when you do this will you be able to get results in digital marketing. So why are you failing in digital marketing? What's the reason? I've explained all the points to you in this video. In a very short time, I hope you'll follow all the points and, after following them, work on them as well. So that is my suggestion. Apart from that, if you have any questions I'm asking you, my WhatsApp number is given below. You can message me on WhatsApp and I'll be glad to help you. Alright, but I'll say one simple thing. Go for personal training, learn from someone, be consistent, find the loopholes, and work daily. Don't waste your time watching videos on YouTube. You've watched 50 methods. Just pick one method and follow it properly. So I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.